Hello everyone, welcome back to my lecture series on strategic management, and we are in chapter 5 and discussing about competitive positioning. So far we discussed what is competitive positioning, what is a strategic what is how can we implement strategies, and then also we discussed challenges with respect to strategic management and also strategic leadership. And in this video, we are touching very interesting topic, e-business and strategy. For any business, it is important to have their digital technology roadmap. Okay, remember the term digital technology. So world is changing rapidly. 30 years back, people used to maintain books of accounts in paper books, then a standalone systems, then integrated systems. Now it is completely not only finance, every aspect of the business is connected. So which kind of digital technology we are using, whether on cloud or on premises, many decisions are there. So every company should take their e-business or digital technology related decisions. This include why we need this is to connect with every partner of the business like customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders. So it is important to make a e-business strategy. This e-business strategy is not only for online businesses, for anyone who are transacting online, right? So now customer supplier relationship is on online, even if you are a manufacturing entity, okay? Even if you are a manufacturing entity, you will be doing interaction with your suppliers and on the side your customers and other shareholders, etc. So for those things we need digital technology. So this is the strategy of e-business or a digital technology important for every business organization irrespective of whether you are in online trading or not. Okay, so it is very important not only from a short-term perspective, from a long-term perspective also it is very important. Okay, now let us see if at all you want to start a business like online business, how the strategy will be made and other technologies which are relevant for every company. So remember, don't get confused here. The first one, e-business strategic framework. Here we are talking about how to select appropriate business for doing online. And after that, we were seeing other digital technologies which are necessary for every businesses. Okay. Here we are focusing only on an online business, and in these three, we are focusing on every business. Okay, e-business strategy and framework. So when we do a e-business strategy, whenever we want to do an online business, okay, we should have a proper e-business strategy. This should answer three important questions. Where do we want to compete? The whole purpose of strategic management is to know where do we want to compete, what type of value do we want to create, and how should we set up and organize our company to deliver the desired result. Okay, so any e-business strategy for online business units, it should answer three important questions. Where do we want to compete? What type of value it is going to create, and how our internal organization is aligned for it. So how the decision will be made, where do we want to compete? You guys know it better. It is through environmental analysis. So perform macro environment analysis. Macro environmental analysis includes what? Macro environmental analysis requires analysis of political, economical, legal, social, all these ecological, all the environment analysis, and then industry structure, in which industry product you want to deal with, how this industry is, what are the challenges, and then what is your target market and what are the challenges with that. So this is all required. First question, where do we want to compete? So it all depends on these three factors. Moving to our next one, value creation. It is another important area. What kind of value that firm is going to create to meet the over and above their competitors. So value creation is having two components in it. The first one is the concept of value creation in e-business itself, and the second one is strategic options which company can look for value creation. Okay, one and two. So second point is very simple for you guys. You know how can value can be created from a strategy perspective. We can have cost leadership distinction or a product differentiation. So cost leadership, provide high quality goods at a lower price. Otherwise, make a product differentiation, meet the business customers' expectation, but varied different qualities. And then the first one is the concept of value creation in the e-business. So this is all about creating or generating a competitive edge. Okay, so how can we create our value in a market? By having competitive edge over our partners. What are the options available for this competitive edge? Cost leadership and differentiation. So this is the second strategy for your any e-business work. And the third strategy is all about how your organization is internally aligned to achieve these goals. Whatever value creation we are trying to achieve, whatever market we are trying to reach, how we are going to do it is all about internal organization section. So internal organization, what are the horizontal boundaries? Horizontal boundaries are nothing but what in what scale and scope, what is the funding limits for the company based on fund. So we will set up a scope or even our skill sets. Based on that, horizontal boundaries will be set. Vertical boundary is all about, sorry, vertical boundary is all about your business is here. There are a lot of supporting functions. So your business, so there is a logistics partner for you. There is a raw material suppliers. There is some accounting service providers, all these things, right? Either you can do these jobs on your own or you can rely on your other partners for doing this. So if you do logistics, then it is your own business. But always the target is to focus on core competency. You focus on your business. So your business, then give it logistic piece to someone, give it raw material supply work to someone, give it your accounting work to someone, complete outsourcing, right? Outsource every function, whatever is possible, and you compete on your core competency. You focus on your core competency. That is all about vertical boundaries and then organization structure. So these are the factors which we need to consider answer in the e-business strategy. So what all we are answering here, where we want to compete, where we want to compete is through macro analysis and macro environmental analysis, industry check structure analysis and market value creation. Value creation is by creating a competitive edge. How can we create competitive edge? Cost leadership or differentiation, and then internal organization know like what is the horizontal boundaries and what is vertical boundaries, and then what is the internal organization structure. Considering these factors, prepare a e-business strategy. So at the end, e-business strategy should answer all these three basic questions. That's all about e-business strategy. And in the next video, we will discuss about artificial intelligence and other two major parts, fintech and blockchain. Thank you.